2 Weeks Notice by Amy Porterfield is a compelling guide for those who aspire to leave their traditional 9-to-5 jobs and start their own businesses. Drawing from her personal experience of transitioning from a corporate role to a successful entrepreneur, Porterfield provides readers with a detailed blueprint for making this significant life change. The book is written for those who feel unfulfilled in their current jobs, crave freedom, and want to build something of their own but are unsure of where to start. Porterfield begins by addressing the mindset shift required to move from an employee to an entrepreneur. She acknowledges the fears and uncertainties that often hold people back, such as the fear of financial instability, self-doubt, and the comfort of a steady paycheck. Through her own story and the stories of others, she encourages readers to confront these fears head-on, emphasizing that the desire for freedom and fulfillment can outweigh the fear of the unknown. This mindset shift is crucial for anyone considering leaving their job to start a business. One of the core messages of the book is the importance of planning. Porterfield stresses that quitting a job on a whim is not a viable strategy. Instead, she advocates for a well-thought-out plan that includes financial preparation, business strategy, and a clear vision of what the new venture will be. She walks readers through the process of creating a business plan that includes identifying a niche, understanding the target audience, and developing a product or service that meets a specific need in the market. Porterfield also highlights the importance of building an audience before launching a business, advising readers to leverage social media, email lists, and content marketing to create a following of potential customers. Porterfield also delves into the practicalities of making the transition from employee to entrepreneur. She offers step-by-step guidance on how to give notice at work, manage the transition period, and set up the necessary systems and structures for running a business. She covers everything from time management and productivity to the legal and financial aspects of starting a business. Porterfield emphasizes the need for resilience and persistence, acknowledging that the journey to entrepreneurship is challenging and requires a strong commitment. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to building a personal brand and marketing. Porterfield explains how to position oneself as an expert in a chosen field, create valuable content that resonates with the target audience, and build relationships with potential customers. She shares practical tips on how to use social media, email marketing, and online courses to grow a business and generate income. Porterfield's expertise in digital marketing shines through in these sections, providing readers with actionable strategies they can implement immediately. Another key theme in 2 Weeks Notice is the importance of community and support. Porterfield encourages readers to seek out mentors, join entrepreneurial networks, and surround themselves with like-minded individuals who can offer advice, encouragement, and accountability. She stresses that entrepreneurship can be a lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be if one builds a strong support system. Porterfield also addresses the emotional and psychological challenges of entrepreneurship. She talks about the importance of self-care, setting boundaries, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. She acknowledges that the pressure to succeed can be intense, but reminds readers that taking care of their mental and physical health is crucial for long-term success. 2 Weeks Notice is not just a how-to guide, it's also a motivational manifesto for those who dream of a different life. Porterfield's writing is both practical and inspirational, offering readers the tools they need to succeed while also empowering them to take bold action. The book is filled with real-life examples, actionable steps, and personal anecdotes that make the process of becoming an entrepreneur feel accessible and achievable. Whether you're just starting to think about leaving your job or already on the path to entrepreneurship, 2 Weeks Notice offers valuable insights and encouragement to help you make your dreams a reality.